Okay, so now that we kind of understand what a flipped classroom is, I'm here now on my home page of the wiki that will allow you to see what steps we're going to go through in order to create a flipped classroom. So before we begin our workshop today, the purpose of this is to model a flipped classroom on a wiki. I want to make sure that our students are engaged in that wiki, and so my target audience is actually not the student but for teachers. However, a lot of the information that I'm going to give you today you can definitely use for your students. I will also provide an 8th or 9th grade Algebra 1 lesson that you guys can see how I took the classroom and I flipped the classroom. Our learning outcomes, you guys can kind of read through them, but to me the ones that are most important is to develop a meaningful online lesson, to provide relevant sources to your students, to create an online atmosphere of collaboration, and to understand the importance of authentic assessment. So before we get started, I want to tell you guys that we are actually using one of Mayer's principles. We're using the modality principle right now because we are learning through text and on-screen animation. And just to give a shout out to this awesome program I'm using a program called Camtasia. Anyone can sign up for it. It is free for the first 30 or 60 days, and then after that you do have to pay for it. So I just wanted to address that quickly before we begin. What I would like for you guys to do is, after you look through the home page, join me on the pre-training page. So make sure that you click on the pre-training page so we can go through that together as well.